section there will be 15 questions like MCQ type questions, and second section is 9 questions. Third section is a 7 question, and again 9 question in fourth session.
Okay. So how? I mean, there was no programming, right? I mean, you didn't write any programming like thing.
No, no, no. But programming code is there, and show the output and return the output in the box
Okay.
like in teacher code. Yes.
Okay, just like the assignment session, where the assignment session it was like that there was a session where you have to put the programming and it run and compile, then you can get the output. So
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay, and one more thing is that there were MCQ also, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Or
MCQs.
comprehension essay type question, subjective type essay.
Asia
Comprehension.
type question, comprehensive.
Comprehension type.
But comprehensive programming, comprehensive time, how it will be like? I did not attend any programming class as a student, so I mean, can you tell me one comprehensive question, like if you remember?
Uh, no, ma'am.
Okay.
मैं थोड़ा भूल गया थोड़ा.
Okay, fine, no problem. And about, I mean, you told that 4 sections were there. So within 4
Yes, ma'am.
sections,
Four
first,
sections.
yeah, first section should be, I think, MCQ.
हाँ, 15 questions थे उसमें.
Okay, so 15 among 15 questions you have to do 15 questions, or there will be some extra.
और no negative marking is there.
Okay, no negative marking is there. And among 15 questions you have to attend 15 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and they are all where MCQ.
Topics will be tuple dictionaries,
Okay.
heaps,
Okay.
and similar question that is your weekly assignments.
Okay, and
So
what
similar
about the
question to
previous year assignment? I mean, previous year model question. I have sent you people that with the previous year model questions, right? Model questions,
Yes,
set
ma'am.
number 1 and
Previous year model questions are also questions like that.
Okay. I mean that helps, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and okay, so that means the first session was MCQ. So what about second session?
Second section में भी MCQ थे उसमें.
Oh, there also MCQ. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and there, I mean, in the first session you told that 15 questions were there. So
15 questions. In second section there will be 9 questions.
9 questions, fine. And these all are MCQs. And what about third?
Third section में 7 questions थे.
7 questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Fill in the blank.
Okay. Fill
Box
in
में
the
fill
blanks.
करना था.
Yeah.
Yes,
understand.
ma'am.
And what about that question? That type of question were there? That lexicographic
There
order?
will be a programming code, and what will be the output is there.
Yeah,
So
that I
fill in the
understand.
box.
And there were lexicographic code, I mean lexicographic order they asked that question, that if I have one, okay, you totally forget all the questions, okay. So it's better
Yes, ma'am.
not to, okay, fine. Okay, so in third session, how many questions were there?
There will be 7 questions.
No, 7 questions, yeah. So 11,
ma'am.
9 and 7. Sorry, 15, 9 and 7. And
Seven.
then fourth session,
There will be also 9 questions.
9 questions, but it a comprehensive like thing. Is it like?
No, ma'am, इसमें भी MCQ type थे, but और fill in the blanks भी थे, दोनों mixed थे इसमें.
So where was the essay type question? I mean, you told that essay type question were also there.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was in third section or fourth section or fifth section?
Weekly assignment number 7 उसके जैसे similar था question note. Weekly assignment 7.
Okay, weekly assignment 7. That means heap portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
heap में से काफी question थे उसमें.
Okay, max heap, mean heap, about that, and then
Yes,
you have
ma'am,
to
yes, ma'am.
you have to insert some number on that, or you have to delete mean from that tree and something. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about dynamic programming? Is there any questions from dynamic program also?
No, dynamic programming नहीं थी उसमें.
Okay, because I mean, in the previous class there was someone who told about the dynamic question programming, and she does not understand about that. So I was just thinking that if it is there or not. And yeah, and I mean, it was very similar to the assignment question, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, similar question taken.
Very
Same
similar
answer.
questions. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and there were fill in the blanks also, and
Yes, ma'am.
then
MCQ type questions.
MCQ
Multiple
type
choice.
questions, multiple choice questions. And have you attended all the questions?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great. So how much number were there? Like 75 or I mean
Yes, ma'am.
75.
Nearly about 75. Yes, ma'am. Nearly about 75, 70.
Okay, 75 questions. I mean the number was 75. So you,
75 was near about 70.
yeah, okay. So how much you will expect? See, basically this is a programming type questions. I mean programming course. So in programming course, it's very similar to mathematics, right? So if your
ma'am.
question is right, I mean if you correctly answer that one, then your question will be correct, and you will get the full marks. So that's why
Yes,
I'm just
ma'am.
asking that like how you can expect. I mean how much full. I think I mean, maybe full. I mean that 75 out of 75 you can get. I don't know how much you can get. But
Yes.
yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Nearly about 70 marks will be there. 70 तक आ सकते हैं.
Oh, great.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about assignment? Have you attended all the assignment week
Yes,
wise?
ma'am. Attended all the assignment.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay,
Attended
okay.
all the assignment.
And all the questions were correct?
Yes, ma'am. Correct the answer, sir.
Okay, okay. So that means you will get let's say 90 out of 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great. And what about you, Akashdeep? Have you attended the exam? Hello. Akashdeep Ganguly. I think he is not here. So if someone will come again, then I will just see. I'll just hear the review of the questions, because today I don't have anything to show you, because all the questions have done, and your exam is also over. So there is no left, and you just want to give me some review. How was your exam? Someone messaged me about one of the questions, and I asked. Someone messaged me about the question on search tree. So, was there any question on search tree? Can you remember? Just Karan Singh. Was there any question
No,
on
ma'am.
that?
No, binary tree was also binary tree.
Okay, so binary tree was there, but search tree was not there. Okay, so like
No,
one question
only
where
tree will be there.
yeah. One question where there, like she was asking about one question that some assignment question were there, that my tree dot foo if double o, then what it will be. I mean what it is computing. So that was like the number of path from left to right and all. So that type of question were asked someone. Yeah. So that was really nice, and your exam was really nice. That is very good. And so what was the time? Like 3 hours.
Yes, ma'am. 180 minutes, 3 hours.
3 hours. So have you completed within 3 hours, or within 2 hours or something more less than that, or what?
I have completed the exam in 2 hours.
2 hours. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
It's like a very simple thing. I thought that for your case it was very simple, very easy. So that's why you completed within 2 hours.
Yes, ma'am. 2 hours.
Yeah. Or actually, like there are most of the things are from MCQ and fill in the blanks, so there is nothing to write and all these things. And obviously, you did not make any type of programming by your hand, so obviously there will be not that much problem.
Yes,
And,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, and obviously the
Similar
time.
questions like assignment questions.
Yeah.
So it is easy to crack the exam.
Yeah. Okay. That is fine. So, Akashdeep, are you here, present? Can I talk with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how was your exam?
Ma'am, it was great and I completed in 1.5 hour.
1.5 hour. Okay. So when was your exam time? Like a morning session or afternoon session?
Ma'am, it was morning session.
Morning session. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
and what about your exam center? It was very near to your home or very far from your home?
No, ma'am, some far from
Okay, okay, far from your home.
address actually.
Okay.
Actually,
Uh,
ma'am, I had two exam today actually.
okay. So all these two are done or still left?
Yes, ma'am, all are done.
Okay, okay, fine. So how about the second exam? That was good.
Second exam was very great and I completed in half an hour.
Oh my God, that was really nice. What was the course name? Is it the NPTEL course or anything
Ma'am,
else?
second, yes, ma'am, it was
I can't hear you. Hello? Maybe his network problem is there. I think he is on the way for coming back to home. Yeah, it's very great to see you all. To hear from you that your exam was really nice. Okay. So, Jaskan, are you also attending a second exam today for NPTEL? I don't know which exam he has conducted today itself. So, are you also attending second exam for NPTEL course? Jaskan.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So you had only one exam.
Yes, ma'am. Only one
Okay.
reason.
Okay. So, what about your next plan? Like, obviously, you have some knowledge about Python right now. So, what you will
Yes,
do
ma'am.
in next? Like, you will do some. Oh, someone has it again. Okay. So, you will continue your knowledge about that Python, right? Like, maybe you will join in the next NPTEL course where advanced Python methodology will be there. Then it will be beneficial for you also, and or otherwise you can learn from somewhere else about the Python, because obviously this is the very first step of learning the Python and it's not that much advanced in syllabus, so it was really very basic thing. So yeah, good. So hello Pragati.
Hello, ma'am.
So what about your exam? How was the exam?
Ma'am, it was good.
Good. Okay. See, previous two students, they have already told that it was great. Okay. Like one told me that I finished within 2 hours, and another one told me I finished within 1.5 hour. So you finished within which? 2 hours, 3 hours. How much time?
Two and a half.
Okay, 2.5 hours. Fine. And what about, like, it was your morning session, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And the exam center was where? Like very far from your home or very near to your home?
Ma'am, it was little far.
Little far. Okay. And what about the questions? Like, can you please review some questions, like how it was? Very good, very bad, or overall?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
questions was from the assignments,
Hmm.
but the values are changed.
It
Some
should be
questions.
like that, obviously. Like whatever the question is in the assignment, if they will just copy and paste it in the exam center also, that is not fair, right? So obviously the some questions will be different, at least some values will be different. I am not saying that total question will be different, but at least some values will be different. Okay, then.
Yes. Ma'am, in some section there was some tricky questions also.
Okay. So I have heard that there were 4 sessions. So
Yes,
yeah, so in the first session, 15 questions were there, and all the questions were MCQ type question, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how was that session? Like the first session was really nice for you?
Yes, ma'am. First session was nice.
Okay.
Second was not that much, but third was also good, pretty good. Uh, in third session there was there were FIVs.
Okay. And what about fourth session?
Ma'am, fourth session there were FIVs and MCQs both. But ma'am, it was also tricky.
It was also tricky. Okay. It was not directly coming from your assignment, like not directly, like very similar to directly from the assignment. Is it like that or not?
No, ma'am,
No.
it was not from assignment.
Okay, it was not from assignment. Like very similar to assignment. It was like that or not? Even like it was totally new for you. Is it like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so that means first and third session was good, but second and fourth session was not that much good. And what about your weekly assignment? Have you submitted all the assignments?
Yes, ma'am, almost all assignments.
Okay, fine. And you have got the results also, like for these weekly assignments, you got the answer sheet as well as that whatever you have written the year. You can understand from that assignment that how much you got from assignment, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope it will be very good number for you. Because like obviously you have completed 25% of that total exam from the assignment part, and rest of the things you have to write today. So you did something, but yeah, I hope it is good for you. Okay, fine. And so now just take rest. And today only one exam were there for you, or two exam were there, like from NPTEL?
No, ma'am, only one exam.
Okay, only one exam, because like someone told me that he has another exam also of NVIDIA, but yeah, fine. So you have only one exam today. Okay, great. So another one student has no, he left. Okay, fine. So yeah, so what is the plan for next? I mean for future Python courses? Do you want to attend some Python courses further or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and one more question, like whatever I have given you about the previous year model questions, so the questions were from that part also, or there was nothing from that part?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, it was from there also.
Okay, it was from there also. Obviously, see, like there should be some similarity between the questions, but obviously not exactly the same question will be there. But yeah, fine. Okay. Avi. Oh, here also left. Okay, fine. Then, so is there anything else? See, actually today is the last class. Basically, yeah, that previous year week also, I mean unofficially it was last class, but today is the officially last class. So today I thought that no one will come because of that exam and all. So I don't know what you people, I mean what I will do in that class, because all the questions, all the things were already done, and you have already attended that exam at least. So if you people have some questions regarding Python or regarding anything, then you can ask me. I will try to answer that.
Ma'am, when will the result announced?
When will be the result? Result will be max to max. It will take 1 month, but it should not be take that much time. But I'm just telling you the maximum range of getting the result. So it will be within 1 month. Okay. And obviously you have to get a certificate for that you have completed successfully that Python and data structure and algorithm using programming data structure and algorithm using Python course, NPTEL course you have successfully completed. You should get a certificate on that. Okay, so one more student has joined, Kanchan. Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. So, how was your exam?
Moderate exam. Okay, I will get certificate. I will pass.
Okay, so you will get certificate. That's enough for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so have you written all the assignment questions correctly? That in that week 8, I mean total 8 weeks assignments.
Yes, ma'am. I have submitted.
Yeah, you have submitted and you got the results of that also, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, I mean, you know that from that only 25 5 marks will be there. So, rest of the
Yes,
things
ma'am.
will come from the written exam. So,
Yes, ma'am.
I hope from 25 you got 20 or
Ma'am, I
some.
got, yes, ma'am, 18 or 20, like that.
Oh,
18.
great, great, great. So that means you already got 18 numbers. Rest of the things you have to
Yes,
get
ma'am.
from written exam. So,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about the written exam? How was it?
Ma'am, most of the questions were from the assignment,
Okay.
so I'm confident that we're right. And programming part was very quite, I think, difficult.
I have heard that there were no programming part. Like you did.
Programming part means program we are given and we have to find the output.
Oh yeah, yeah, fine, fine.
Fill in the blanks, we have to find the output.
Yes.
That was quite difficult.
See, for that also I told you that for that you have to understand the programming at first. So if you understand
Yes,
the
ma'am.
program line by line, then obviously it will be not that much problematic for you to get the answer. So yeah,
I'm not sure in that on the means among on that questions.
okay. So I have heard that there were 4 sections, right?
Four section, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the first section was about MCQ. So what was that? How was that?
MCQ was easy.
Okay.
Most of in that in first section, most of them was from heap, max heap.
Okay.
So that was
And
okay,
there were
but
only 15
section
questions.
ma'am, section 4 was very difficult.
Okay, the section 4 was like what? MCQ type question itself or something else?
Filling the blanks mostly.
Okay, the fill in the blanks mostly it was. And how many questions were there in section 4?
Section 4,
Okay, you forgot.
not remember, yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay, fine, fine. And what about section 2 and 3?
Ma'am, moderate.
Moderate, okay. So there I think I have heard that there, I mean in section 2 also there were MCQ questions and I think 9 questions were there, right? And in section 3, 7 questions were there. And there were also fill in the blanks and all these things were there. So,
The permutation question was there one, like lexicographic, previous permutation we have to find.
okay, so lexicographic order. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That question was there.
Okay, fine. And I mean, whatever I have given you about the previous year model question set, it was
Yes,
helpful.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it was helpful.
Okay, fine. Basically, like I was just asking you because, like, obviously, some of the students were asking about the dynamic programming. So, is there any question
No,
from
ma'am,
dynamic?
no done. No, ma'am.
Okay. So, and most of the questions were from heap, then lexicographic order, permutation combination, then
Max heap.
search tree. Search tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Dictionaries, tuples.
Yeah,
Heap,
tuples.
tuple,
Yeah, tuples.
list.
List,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
List, dictionary, and
Dictionary.
then what else? A set?
Set, yes, ma'am. Two questions were there.
Okay, set. Okay, fine. Then what else? Dragon problem? Okay, oh, you told
No,
that
ma'am. No.
dynamic program
program.
was not there. Okay, fine.
No.
Okay, and then what else are there? Least. Okay, then least.
We have to find the error.
Oh, to find the
Yes.
error also, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
That combination, that in which combination the
Yes,
exam
ma'am.
will be, the programming will give the wrong answer.
Error. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 fine. So just like that, minimum and maximum or largest one, you have to find the largest one among the 3 numbers and something. So it was like that maybe. Okay,
Ma'am,
yeah.
means questions were given but not filling the blanks means the program was given but in that like return dash that type of
Oh.
question was not there.
Oh yeah, yeah. I have shared one question with you people about that one, like written, then in bracket dot 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 was there. So you have to fill in the blanks on that, and
Yes,
then what will be in that written one. Yeah, just like
yes,
that
ma'am. That type of
recursion,
question.
recursion relation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I understand.
That was not there. That type.
Okay, that was not there. Okay. So recursion relation also were there. Recursion problem.
Yes, the recursion problem was there in
Okay.
section 4.
Okay, recursion problem were there. So you were in a morning batch or evening batch?
In the afternoon batch 2 to 5.
2 to
Yesterday
5.
my exam was.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
you
Yesterday,
had it
23rd.
yesterday. Yeah. That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
I thought that if 2 to 5 was there, so how can you join at 5:26? It's too much.
No, yesterday.
Yeah. Okay.
25th March.
Okay. 25th March you had the exam. That's fine. Okay, so you told that it was not that much good for you, but yeah, fine. Like whatever you told that, I thought that you can get. I mean, among up what 75 was there, so I think you can get 50 at least, right? I hope so. So 50 and then 18 was there, so it's very good marks, no problem on that. Obviously, you obviously will pass, no problem. So yeah. And what about the future future plan for that programming part? Like Python, you loved that one or not? Like it was it was enjoyable or not?
Yes, ma'am. We will keep on
You will
coding.
keep on, yeah, you will keep on that. Okay,
Yes,
and you can also join
Yes,
in another NPTEL course on Python also. Like obviously there are so many Python courses is available in NPTEL, so you can join any of them, and you can just learn from them also there also. Yeah. And what about the
Okay, ma'am.
future one? Like, do you want to know some more programming, or do you want to stick with the Python program only? Like I'm just asking a very
Ma'am,
simple
some
question.
our React program is there, ma'am.
Yeah.
React something R.
R programming is there. Basically, R programming is very useful for some what should I tell? Some graphics problem. Like if you want to draw some graph on that in your problem. So the R program is very much useful for making some plots, and the plots which are coming from R, it's looking very good. So whenever you want some very good plotting, then you can use R programming. And R programming was not that much hard. It is also very simple, but not that much simple as Python, because obviously Python is the simplest, whatever I think. So yeah, but R is also a very good language. But you can also learn MATLAB also. MATLAB is also a very good language. Then obviously Fortran, C++. C basically it was a very old language, and still till now also it is useful for each and every section in our research as well as in our industry and all the things. So C is very useful. C++ both are very useful. And obviously Python is also a very useful language, but basically Python is very good, very user friendly, so that's why we liked Python. But yeah, C and C++ were also very good, and R is also good, but it is not that much famous. Okay, just like Python, C++ and all. But yeah, still it's good. And
Ma'am,
yeah,
are you Bengali?
yes.
Oh. Your accent and the way you speak, it shows Bengali language.
Yeah.
The tone is like Bengali.
Yes. Little bit tone will be there, right? Because my mother tongue is Bengali, so obviously the tone will come from there. Okay, fine. So, yeah. What else? Actually, I don't have anything to show you people, because today is the last day and you already over your exam. So,
Ma'am, when will the answers will come along with question of this exam?
that I don't know. I have to ask sir, because see, basically I am not the direct TA of that course, as I already told you before maybe. So I'm not the director TA. Direct TA means like whoever are dealing with that question and answer sheet and all these things. The students' question, students' assignment problem. So I am not dealing with that one. I'm just interacting with you people about the previous year questions assignments. So I don't know that what was the, you know that if you attended my class regularly, then you know that I told you about that I did not know about the question pattern also, because I did not know about how to make, how they are making the questions. I don't know about these things. So like that type of questions also I can't answer because I am not a direct TA. But yeah, obviously if you people want to know that one, then I can ask sir directly, and sir will tell me that when the answer will come, and then I can tell you. But right now I don't know. But I hope that your results should be within 1 month, because I also attended one NPTEL course as a student. So at that time I also get my result, I think, within 1 month. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, hopefully it will come within 1 month. And okay, so what else you want to need? See, basically today is a very short class, and it will be a officially last class. Okay, so all the best for your future exams also. So have you attended any other NPTEL courses other than Python? I think someone already told me that he has some another exam today also. So did you attend?
Yes, ma'am. Today, yes, ma'am. HCI, Human Computer Interaction.
What is the course name?
It's Human Computer Interaction, user centric for human computer interaction. HCI.
Oh, great. Human computer interaction.
Interaction, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That exam was today.
How was it?
Ma'am, okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay,
Better
fine.
than Python.
Better than Python. And one more student were asking me, like he was telling me about that the second exam what he attended, it was completed by within 1.5. No, within half an hour. Within half an
Yes,
hour.
mine also within within half an hour.
Okay, so that means maybe it may be possible that he has the same exam as you. Okay, it may be possible. Okay, great. So human computer interaction, what was that? Can you tell me? I don't know about that one.
Well, it is a course. I'm doing MTech from 1 month. Presently I'm doing MTech. So my college teachers, they persuaded me to take this exam. They told us.
In MTech, obviously in your syllabus it will be very advanced.
Yes, ma'am. First semester.
So what what was there in that exam? I don't know. Can you please tell me? Yeah.
It is about the relation, how the human develop computers, use the computer step by step, how the interaction between the computer and the human came into existence. All these are about in this course.
Okay.
Many goals are there, like goal operator, menu selection, something. All these are there in this method, in this course. Name only suggests human computer interaction, the interaction between human and computer. So this course.
Okay. So you have attended a total, 75 out of 75 you have attended.
Yes, ma'am. In this total, 55 questions were there.
Okay, so you have attended all the questions.
Yes, ma'am. Theoretical paper was this.
Oh, great.
No
And
problem.
yeah, and was there any essay type question were there or only MCQ type?
MCQ type.
Only MCQ, no essay
MCQ
type.
type. MSQ
MSQ.
means more than
Okay.
one option.
Yes, yes.
ma'am.
So MSQ and MCQ type were there, but no
Yes,
essay type
yes.
question.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then it's
So within half an hour, I have completed.
great. So it was really nice, not good. It was really great. Okay. Because within half an hour you have completed the 3 hours exam. So it was great. Okay, fine. So, hello Ravi. Oh, he left. Fine. Okay. So, I thought that no one will come today because all people had exam. But still you 4 came. That's a very good thing. Okay, so do we have any queries about Python or anything else? You can tell me any type of questions. You can ask me any type of queries if you have.
Ma'am, what are the projects related to the programming Python? I mean, some projects names here, which many projects which we can do on Python language.
See, you are basically right now in MTech. So obviously
Yes,
in MTech the technology will be very much needed, like masters in technology. So like in MTech the programming language you should know. So how many programming languages you know till now?
Ma'am, I know C, Java, and Python.
Oh, great. So I myself don't know Java. I just only C and Python, like within your choice. So yeah, okay. So project means there may be so many projects. So projects means are you talking about some courses on Python or what? Like
Ma'am, some project which require Python knowledge. From any software making means project which mini project, some small project.
some small projects which will be useful with the Python. See, basically Python, as per I know that Python will be very much very much useful in data structure and algorithms, as the course name were there. So in the data structure part as well as that OPP I think you have already, sorry, object oriented program, OOP. Okay, so in that object oriented program Python is a very useful thing on that. Python is basically nowadays useful in making some softwares, as you told that how many softwares will be there, but yeah, I can't tell you the name on that because obviously it will be a biasing like thing. But yeah, you can search in Google that there will be so many software bases which obviously totally based on Python. And yeah, and also I can share with you some names, but I can't tell these names in online classes. Okay, but yeah, obviously Python are very good for them also. Okay, so hello Ram. Someone has come. Hello, Ram Ba. Hello, can you hear me? Ram. I think he can't hear me. Hello, Ram. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I think we can stop today's class because there is nothing to share. There is nothing to teach. There is nothing to learn. As you all attended the exam and it was really good. And yeah, what about the previous year set, Kanchan? Yeah, Kanchan. So it was helpful for you, the previous year assignment problems, like that previous year model set? It was useful for you or not?
Yes, ma'am. Assignments which you discussed, quizzes especially. that
And
generated.
yeah, and about that model question set, like model question online, model question 1, online model question set 2, 3. These were also right.
Ma'am, that was there, but questions were does not came from means like that model. Questions were only means similar questions does not came.
Okay, similar
Means
question
program.
it was not came, but yeah, like the assignment question, the very similar on that it was coming.
Yes, and quizzes
Quizzes.
especially.
Okay. Obviously, the
Most
program only quiz and programming assignment were there. So, as in exam there were no programming assignment. Obviously, the quiz will be there. Only the one option. So,
yes, means one or two questions were repetition of the quiz. Means same questions was there.
same questions.
Same question, yes, ma'am.
Oh my god. I mean, it was the same as this year quiz or the previous year quiz.
This year quiz.
This year quiz itself is the same
Yes, ma'am.
questions.
Same questions. Yes, ma'am.
It should not be there.
One or two, yes, ma'am. One or two questions were there. Means I was shocked how same questions came, but same question was there. One or two questions were there,
It should not
which
be
was
there
very.
because yeah, it may be possible that whatever in the previous year question, the same question may come. That is possible, but this year, but still.
This year from quiz, same question was there.
Okay,
Two or three questions. Yes, ma'am.
that's good for you people, but it's actually not that much good. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Ma'am, please share your email ID.
I have shared so many times, but still I am sharing again.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
actually I have shared so many times my email ID, but yeah, okay. Yeah, I have written in chat box. Can you please see? 20page05@uae.is.in. So this is my mail ID. So if you have some problem or queries, then you can ask me. I don't know that how I can answer. I mean, how fast I can answer. But yeah, I will try. Someone asked me one question, but right now I just saw that message. So it was really bad for me. But I did not have time to see that. But yeah, fine. Someone asked me, I think yesterday, one question, but I did not see that. I just saw right now. So yeah, fine. And so from where you are doing your MTech? From which institute?
Ma'am, I qualified GATE this year, 2022. I passed qualified GATE, but I stay in Nagpur, so I was interested in my GATE score was not a very high. It was
Okay.
460, 460 score out of 1000.
Okay.
I was thinking to get in a VNIT, NIT, Nagpur NIT, but there till 480 the admission was closed,
Oh,
and so I did not get in NIT, and my family is here. I'm married and I have two children also, so
okay.
I took admission in nearby college only.
Okay. So right now you are doing your MTech in nearby college.
Yes, ma'am.
So from where you were?
I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Okay, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's good, no problem on that because whenever you will teach, wherever you will go, you have to teach, you have to learn yourself. That is the main thing.
Yes, ma'am.
That's not a big deal that you are going in a very good institute or what, and you will not learn from anything from that. That is not a very good thing. You have to learn yourself. That is the main thing. And obviously, institute gives some output, good output. That is one thing, but obviously not 100%. You have to understand yourself. So yeah, fine. It's good. And what about others like Jaskaran? I mean, in which class or in which institute you are studying?
I am a BTech student.
BTech student. Wow, fine. From which institute?
Ma'am, ma'am, I am living in Punjab.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
And my institute name is Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College.
okay, fine, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are in
I am a
which year?
second year student.
Second year student.
Second year student.
So how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
languages you know till now?
Sorry.
How many languages you know till now?
C, C++, and Python.
C, C++, and Python. Wow, that's fine. And among these three, which one you thought that it will be very good for your, for your study and study purpose?
C++ and Python is very good.
Okay, C++ and Python is very good. Yeah, it totally depends on the things in which you are studying. Like if you are a engineering student, then obviously C, C++, Python, this type of programming will be very beneficial. Or if you are a research student, then for them C also very good, MATLAB is also very good, then Fortran sometimes is very good. So yes, totally depend on the study purpose, that of where you are studying and which subject you are studying. So okay, then coming to the next one, Akashdeep, are you still here? Okay, you are on the way. I hope so, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are on the way because the noise is coming. Yeah, fine. So you are doing what?
Yes, ma'am. I am a BTech student of second year.
Oh, you are also a BTech student, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are the classmates, that Jaskaran and you are the classmates, or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, like you are also from Okay. So okay, fine. So your institute name?
UEM Jaipur.
Oh, Jaipur. Okay, great. Okay.
Actually, ma'am, I am from West Bengal. Actually.
Yeah, I have seen the Ganguly surname. So obviously from Ganguly surname, I can understand that you are from West Bengal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Saurav Ganguly, is there somewhere related with you?
Yes, ma'am. Little complicated.
Oh, really?
Listen.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
I was just joking, but it has came true.
Yes, ma'am.
Really, great. Okay, so what about Pragati?
Ma'am, I am BCA student, second year,
Okay, BCA student. And you are from
Kanpur.
Kanpur. And you are studying in Kanpur itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So it's very good that you are studying very well. 1 BCA, 2 MTech, no, 3 MTech. Sorry, 1 MTech, 2 BTech. Yeah. Good. Okay, so is there anything else? Okay, so is there nothing else? Then we can stop for today, and we will meet tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. No, we will not meet it, right?
Ma'am, you are teaching us from where? You are sitting where? Which in your house?
Yeah, like I am a research student, so I am a PhD student. So I am right now teaching you. See, this is my cabin. Okay, so I am just inside of my cabin and I am teaching from there. Yeah. Okay, so I think you can also know about me a little bit. So I am a research student of University of Hyderabad. Have you heard that name? I think so. It is a central university, and I'm doing my research in physics, high energy physics. Okay.
And then how you became NPTEL?
Yeah. That is a good question. See, basically, this I already told you that I am not a direct TA on that course, right? So I'm just only a side TA, you can tell like that, because I'm a PMRF student. PMRF student means they are in PMRF. PMRF is a Prime Minister Research Fellowship. So in that fellowship, you have to fill some criteria as a PMRF fellow. So in that criteria, there were one mentioning was there. You have to teach outside. I mean outside campus. You have to teach 1 week, 1 hour per week. So outside campus means obviously in inside campus I am the TA in our university courses. That is fine. But outside campus also I have to teach something. So as you know that NPTEL as a online course, online open course. So there, I mean our PMRF coordinator told us about that NPTEL course which were totally online, and we can apply for that NPTEL course as a TA, and if we will get, then we can teach, or we not teach basically, we can interact with the students on that. So for only for fulfilling our PMRF criteria, we are doing that one. Okay. So you can tell me like I am a PMRF NPTEL TA, not direct TA. Do you understand? I don't know how much you understand, but yeah. So PMRF is basically a fellowship. Okay. So in that fellowship, we have to do something extra from other research students. Okay. So the extra thing will be like that we have to we have to fulfill some criteria. The criteria will be like 7 hours per week we have to complete as a TA inside the campus, and 1 hour per week we have to complete as a TA outside the campus. So for outside the campus, I have chosen the NPTEL because I applied for that NPTEL course and I got that NPTEL. So that's why I am just right now interacting with you people. So that is the thing. So I am not a teacher, okay? By the way, I am not a teacher, and I am also a student like all of you. So I am a research student, simply. Okay. I think you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Great.
Yeah. So yeah, that is the thing. And yeah, like if you want something more, like university. I am right now in University of Hyderabad, and I was born and brought up in West Bengal, and I did my BSc from West Bengal itself. Then I did my MSc from Banaras Hindu University, which is BHU. Then I came here, University of Hyderabad, which is situated in Hyderabad itself. Then yeah, I am right now in 3rd year in PhD. Yeah. Up to that is my small life. Okay. Okay, so is there anything else? Do you want something more from me? No, there is no questions coming. Okay. Okay, so can we end the session for today, because this is the official last class, and I hope all of you will get a very good marks in your exam. And yeah, so all the best for your future, and bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
And your children will be very good, I think. So how many children you have? 2?
Me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 2 sons.
2 sons. Oh, great. So how they are? I mean, how old are they?
Ma'am, one is in class 9 and one is
My
in class
God, it's too much.
yes, one is in class 6.
Okay, so that means they are also very big.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. Good. Good to hear that. Okay, bye bye. Good night.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.